Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Rabobank. In order to find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in rabobank.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Rabobank. Now in order to log in, just click on the login button at the top right corner. This will now take you into the login page. Now just select the type of login that you want to proceed with. After selecting your account type, you can just scan the QR code that is displayed in your browser window. You can also log in using the Rabo scanner or the random reader comfort options. From there, you can log in using your account number, your card number, and your login code. Once you enter these credentials, you can click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Rabobank account. And there you have it. That is how simple it is to log into your account on Rabobank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.